Hello and welcome. I am continuing my winter holiday themed videos with a tutorial on how to make a custom holiday tray. If you find the video to be too fast at any point in time, just click on the instructional video for directions on how to slow it down. Links to all products I am using are in the description. Let's get started. I'm using a clear General Finishes glaze with mica to stain this tray. After mixing the mica with the glaze thoroughly, use a paintbrush to apply the glaze to the entire tray. You're going to see that I am actually using two different trays in this video, and I made both using the same process, just different colors of mica mixed with the glaze. After you've finished painting the entire tray with the glaze and mica combination, allow the glaze to dry. Now that the glaze is dry, use an oil-based gilding pen around the upper rim of the tray. For this project, I'm using this incredible winter and holiday themed adhesive wallpaper that I found. That actually they provide samples of the wallpaper, which are just the right size to use for these trays. The link to the wallpaper is in the description. I used a Cricut to cut a Happy Holidays sticker on vinyl, but the sticker may be left off or an alternative used if you do not have a Cricut. I applied the vinyl sticker to the wallpaper before placing it in the tray. A step I did not record is that I did place the tray on the wallpaper prior to actually cutting it to get an initial size and shape to work with. Once the vinyl sticker has been applied to the wallpaper, remove part of the backing of the wallpaper and using a squeegee, adhere the wallpaper to the tray and make sure to go back and forth over the wallpaper to ensure you get rid of any bubbles. After you apply the wallpaper, if you need to, use a craft knife carefully to remove any excess wallpaper. Here's the other tray that I spoke about previously. I'm now mixing 5 or 6 ounces of resin, and then I'm going to pour that over the entire surface and spray it lightly with isopropyl alcohol to remove bubbles and allow it to cure per the manufacturer's instructions. The trays are now complete and ready to display or give to another this holiday season. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and press the bell to be alerted to future videos I post. Here's a view of the final product.